we have those locked out in classrooms, so really if you turn that, the only thing that's happening at this thermostat right now is it's sensing the temperature in the room, but we lock those typically about 72 degrees, you know, unless there's some special circumstance that we may bump it down or bump it up based on what's going on. But offices, anywhere in offices, we have control of them, but we limit those between 68 and 74 degrees, typically. I mean, unless there's a reason one way or another to do something different with those. That's the typical system in a room. And the only difference between this room and what the room you just came out of, where the ceiling grid is, where the air is coming out of the side of the duct here, it's got flexible duct that comes off of it and goes to the actual diffuser that you see in the ceiling grid.
Does this room have air return?
Right, that's what the duct along the back wall. So this is supply air, and then that duct along the back wall is the return air going back to the unit in the attic. No, there should be a grill on that duct. Yeah, on the back side.
Oh, okay.
There's one on the back side.
Oh, okay.
Side here also.
Up to the 5th floor? Been up here?
The only time I propped the doors right before we came up here. No.
I'm thinking casino area up here, some pots, a refrigerator, some stove.
We can just go to you later and we can say something about I'd really like to know more about the control systems.
Yeah, that would be the voice-activated door. Is that what it
You want to start with it? You want to start?
Go ahead.
This building has five separate air handling units that supply air down there. We got one all the way back that basically serves this whole west end of the building. We got 1, 2, 3 that are typically right here. Serve the west end of the building, first, second, third floor, second, third, and fourth floor. And then we've got a air handling unit all the way down at the end that we'll look at that serves the whole east building. These systems have, unlike like your residential unit where you've got one fan that supplies the whole house. these have two fans. They have a fan that supplies air, and then they have a return fan that's actually pulling air back to the space. So we've got a supply and return fan. That's what you're seeing. This is a return fan. This is the variable speed drive is a return fan. Right now you can see it's running 40 hertz. Those ramp up and down based on the load in the building. At night, after 10 o'clock, we actually ramp them all the way down to a minimum speed. Just kind of coast along just to maintain the space, and then we ramp them back up in the morning. That's the variable speed drives for. That's a return fan right there for the second floor. So it's pulling air back to the second floor west end of the building.
That variable speed drive is the same thing you have on the voltage system or the flow system and pressure. It's the same variable speed drive you have. Have you noticed the floor that he forgot to mention? Which?
First floor. That's served by the unit all the way down the far end. The whole first floor.
The whole first floor.
It's served by that one unit.
The Benwood has it.
Benwood has its on. The Benwood auditorium units are downstairs below the auditorium. And then the card auditorium, that's the unit we're going to go look at here in just a few minutes. It's up here. It's upstairs. And it's a condensed version of what you're seeing right here. I can kind of show you the whole system of it over there.
You know, this is actually 3 buildings as far as the fire marshal is concerned. You're walking between where the offices are on the 4th floor and where the classrooms are. There's a little rubber thing that's across the floor that differentiates as far as the fire marshal is concerned. This building from the other building. And the importance of that is if there's a fire over in the office area, in order for you to escape that building, all you have to do is move into the other building. Now, the alarm system here makes sure the whole building, right? But if the alarm system fails, the fire marshal is happy if you get out of that so-called east building into the west building. So that's the east building is one building, the west building is one building, and then there's another building. Any idea what it is? Benwood Auditorium. Maybe there's 2 double doors that always close between the restroom area and the Benwood. That's another building. If there's a fire in the Benwood, all you have to do is get to this building. If there's a fire in this building, you can escape by the next building. But
This building, doesn't have a tie-in.
library.
Yeah, this will be basically the same system. A VAV, it's called a VAV system. What we have in the new library. And the only difference where in this building we had a huge attic space where the air handlers were set. Those will actually be in rooms on each individual floor as you go up.
You see these pipes that say chilled water supply and return, and what do the yellow ones say?
Heating water return.
What?
Heating water return and
Okay.
heating water supply.
Now, you think those come from the central energy plant?
Yeah.
Close. They come from the basement, don't they?
Right. The chill water is actually the water that comes all the way from the plant, but the heating water goes through a heat exchanger in the main mechanical room.
Okay. So this is chilled water that comes from the air conditioner that we saw over there.
Right, but it has a pump in the main mechanical room that pumps it up from the main mechanical room up to these air handlers. Walk over and look at these
Yeah,
units over here.